let's enter this trade with a 2000. Let's enter this trade with a 2000. All right, so even though the indicators are very precise and the confirmations from the indicators are very good, we shouldn't as well neglect price action. So if you can check in this situation, that one was a lower high, signaling that we're still going down. All right, so don't neglect price action. And also the indicators, they're helping you to easily identify the price action as well. So we now own 37.9. All right, still good.